Here are some of the benefits of clove water. 1. Boosts the immune system. Clove water is a good source of antioxidants. 2. Fights infections. The essential oil eugenol in clove water has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This means that it can help fight off infections, such as colds, flu, and stomach bugs. 3. Relieves pain. Eugenol is also a natural pain reliever. It can help relieve pain caused by headaches, toothaches, and muscle aches. 4. Improves digestion. Clove water can help improve digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. It can also help relieve gas and bloating. 5. Boosts energy levels. Clove water is a good source of vitamin C. It can also help improve blood circulation, which can give you a boost of energy. 6. Good for skin. Clove water can help improve skin health by reducing inflammation. It can also help brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Here is how to make clove water. Ingredients: 10 cloves and 1 cup water. Instructions: 1. Bring the water to a boil in a small saucepan. 2. Add the cloves and reduce the heat to low. 3. Let simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cloves have released their flavor. 4. Remove from heat and let steep for 5 minutes. 5. Strain the cloves and enjoy. You can drink clove water hot or cold. It can be sweetened with honey or enjoyed plain. Clove water is a healthy and refreshing drink that can be enjoyed all year round. Here are some tips for making clove water. 1. Use whole cloves, not ground cloves. 2. Don't overcook the cloves, or they will become bitter. 3. Strain the cloves before drinking to remove any small pieces. 4. Store clove water in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. I hope this helps.